Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Fifi here, back again with another video. I hope you guys have been well. I hope you guys have been taking care of yourselves. So guys, as you've seen by the title, I moved out of my last apartment and I'm in my new apartment, and today I'm going to give you guys a house tour, because let me tell you, this house is big, it's affordable, and it's just, the location is amazing, and I just love this house. I've been enjoying my stay here so far. It's been a month now that I've been here, and I just thought, let me show my people where I moved to. So yes guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're new here, hi, my name is Fifi. Okay, don't leave here without subscribing. Thank you for joining our family. And guys, let's get right into this video. So guys, this is the entrance door. This is where the door is. I'll show you from another angle, but you enter, and then right at the corner, at the first corner, you have the 3-seater. That's my 3-seater right there, and right beside it I have a small table, like a small stool, because when I was moving here they broke my, if you've watched my last 1-bedroom apartment, you'll see my big glass table. So when I moved here they broke it, so for now guys, I don't have a table, so this glass stool acts as a table for me. So yeah, that's the 3-seater right there. Then I put one seater there, because the space is quite, as you can see guys, the space is quite big from here to all the way there. Then I put the other 1-seater at the corner. This is how the walls look, by the way guys. So that's the first wall. Then there's this small wall right here, this small part over here. So I'm still I'll decorate the house and I'll find some pieces to put on the wall, but for now I'm quite okay how it is. Then let me move this side. Then when I come to this side of the house, by the way guys, see where the door is when I'm here. Like, see where the door is. It's big. It's quite big compared to the other sitting room I had. This one is quite huge. So yeah, that's I decided to put the stool for the sofas close to the TV stand. I have, of course, my TV stand, my system, and my TV. My laptop is right there. So next guys is the kitchen door. Finally I have a kitchen door. It's not connected to the living room. I'm proud. Anyway guys, that's the kitchen. Let's enter. Straight as you enter, of course, you'll find my fridge is right there. I like these tiles. I like these tiles. They're good. So guys, here we have it. There we have it. Have you seen all this space? All this space is the kitchen. All that is the kitchen guys. Like, how? So I got my fridge right here, kitu ya kuwekelea vyombo. After I've washed them, I usually put it there. Then of course the little wardrobes. Yeah, nothing much there. Another one. Then guys, in my last 1-bedroom house, I know you guys told me, some of you told me to find nini for this cooker, to find. So I'm planning on placing it right here. Yeah, I'll put something there so that I can put the gas cooker there. So yes guys, that's my sink, my window. Oh, at least sahi nikipika, when I cook, I can open the windows and feel the fresh air. In the other house, yo, the struggle was real when it came to cooking, because the window was just small and it wasn't opening enough. So yeah guys, that's my drawers. Of course, places I put food. Here is where I put my utensils, and also here. Yeah. So that's it with the kitchen, guys. As you can see, it's big, spacious. We can fit 3 people, 5 people in this kitchen. Unlike the other one where it was even 2 people was a problem. Yeah. Guys, so we are done with the kitchen. Now we head to the bedroom and the bathroom. So guys, as you go towards the bedroom, there's a hallway right here. That's a whole hallway. That's a freaking hallway in our 1-bedroom house. Can you see? I'm telling you, this place, I'm going to design it to look so good. Yup. It's another wall. So just enter the hallway. That's the hallway. And as you enter the hallway, there's my tokens meter. And then we enter the bedroom. This is the bedroom, guys. We enter straight right here is where you get the cupboards. You know, I put my clothes in here. I'm not going to show you guys inside, but they are quite big, very nice, spacious. I love. And then where, of course, I put my handbags. Never mind, that's my towel. That's my towel right there. So anyway, guys, you enter the bedroom. I put some shoes here, because the shoe rack I have is, well, it's not quite a shoe rack, but yeah, viatu zingine haziwezi tosha, so I just placed those ones there. That's my vanity, guys. Love it. And then we come to the other side of the bed, and my curtains. Oh guys, I'm telling you, this bedroom is huge. It's huge, it's spacious, and like the one I was in, yo, hata sikuwa na space. Ooh, sorry. I didn't even have big space, but yeah, that's my bed, of course. But all this, guys, all this is just space in my room. Space. We come to the other side. Of course, I'll put some art, some good, decorations on the walls. Yeah, you guys will decorate with me this house. Give me ideas, in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think I can put in this room. But yeah, see how big it is, guys. It is so big, so big. And this house is a 1-bedroom house. But let me fix this shoe. Yeah, so we are done with the bedroom. So guys, away from the bedroom, this is my hallway. As I told you guys, of course I'll put some art, some good art on the wall, but for now I've just placed that mirror there. Yeah, this is my small table that I put my shoes. Yeah. So guys, that's the hallway. from the other angle. It cuts through like that. So, but first, let's go into the bathroom, guys. So now let's enter the bathroom. That's my toilet. It's okay. I don't know if it's the same size as the other one, but I enjoy the space quite a lot. I enjoy the space quite a lot. Yeah, I'll do some renovations in this bathroom, in this house generally. So that's my window. Yeah, my toilet, of course. My shower, and then tap. There's a tap inside. Then there's of course mirror. There's a mirror there, quite short, but it's short because I'm a tall girl. But anyway, it doesn't bother me at all. So yeah, that's the bathroom. That's the light. Nothing much really to show in the bathroom, guys. But I enjoy my showers. I enjoy my time here. I love the lighting from here, from this room. Yeah, guys, I'm done with the bathroom. Now I'm going to show you guys my balcony. I have a balcony. Yeah, I'm so happy, like you guys don't even understand. So this house has a balcony. Let me show you guys. Of course, I put my basins there. That's my bedroom window. Of course, that's my neighbor. But as you guys can see, it's a huge balcony. It's a huge balcony. Very huge. The tiles are beautiful. It's big. It's very big. Of course, there's some new houses being built here. They look cute, yeah, I know. And then that's a school. There's a school there. But yeah, guys, that's my balcony. And then I have some hanging lines here. And at the front side also, I have some hanging lines. So uku, you can never run out of places to hang your clothes. Yeah. guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed my house tour. I will do an updated house tour as I continue, designing the house. Whatever thing that I decide to put, I'll let you guys know. I will, tutajaza hii nyumba pamoja vizuri. And thank you guys for being on this journey with me. I appreciate you guys so very much. It's a new chapter for me here, and I'm really enjoying the stay so very much. And let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to know about the house, because I know most of you will have questions like the price and all. So let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to reply, guys. So make sure to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what I can do better, in my next house tour. And until next time, guys, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Mwah. Bye.